My adventure in Naples and Pompeii, a journey of unexpected discoveries. Welcome to another chapter of my Italian adventure. Today, I'll share with you my unforgettable experiences in Naples and the ancient city of Pompeii. I arrived in Naples from Florence, filled with excitement for the new city. My first stop was the Naples Central train station. Armed with the address of my booked Airbnb, I approached a taxi driver. To my surprise, he refused to take me, claiming it was too close and advised me to walk instead. Not knowing where to go, I started walking, asking people along the way for directions. Unfortunately, no one seemed to know the street I was looking for. Just when I began to worry, I met a kind gentleman who, although unsure of the street, recognized the building in the photo provided by the Airbnb. He pointed me in the right direction. The Airbnb turned out to be the most beautiful rooftop penthouse I had ever seen, hosted by the wonderful Luigi Napoli. Let's take a quick tour of this stunning penthouse.
Guys, welcome to my place. How are you tonight? This is Naples.
Luigi, what is the name of your terrace here?
Terrazza Napoli.
What's the name of your terrace?
Napoli. Terrazza Napoli.
Teresa Napoli.
Yes.
Okay, and it's on Airbnb.
Yes. All right.
This is
You
quite
can
an
enjoy-
amazing penthouse you have
Yes.
here.
Yes. You can enjoy the showers here and television.
Oh
Yeah,
my
plasma
God, a
TV.
television outside also?
Yes, outside the television when it's good weather, of course.
Of course.
And you can enjoy here sometime.
And,
And
this
we have fireplace
and the
also.
fireplace also.
Yeah,
Oh my
can I
God.
show you?
How did you make this? Do you own the building and you created this?
Yes, yes.
You own this whole building.
Not all my building, just all of the apartment.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. And what is out there that we're looking at?
This is Old Naples.
Old Naples.
Old Naples, not the sea view.
Okay.
Okay. And this is Old Naples, not the seaport. Okay.
Okay.
And we have a Vesuvio view also. And in future we will put a jacuzzi here.
Oh.
We have all six, maybe next year.
Okay.
Maybe.
All right. Let's have a look inside. 'Cause this is truly a beautiful penthouse. Better than most people live.
Yeah. Oh. All right. Yeah, you can get in from that way,
Uh-huh.
that door, or you can open all the way through, and you can enjoy it. So,
Oh, this is so beautiful.
yeah. Also, it's nice in the evening, a lot of light outside.
Uh-huh.
So this one is the Vesuvio view.
Oh my God. So what are those two mountains there? Is that
You can go to visit. You can go on Mount
uh-huh.
and visit the Vesuvio Mount.
That's the
You can
that's
watch the mount.
Vesuvius
The
where-
Vesuvio. Yeah.
Oh, that's the so on that side is the Pompeii?
That's in the back is all Pompeii. Yes,
Oh.
Pompeii, Ercolano, everything ruins.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you are only 25 minutes from Pompeii. You are close enough.
Well, let me ask you something. Did you take this and build it yourself? You had this built, or was this here?
Was is here? Yeah.
Someone lived in this.
Yeah, was here a little part, not all.
Yeah. What else do you have? Oh my God! Look at this bathroom. A true mansion. Washer and a dryer. So if someone's gonna stay a month or a week
Oh,
or
yeah. Yes. Here. I show you one more thing. This is very nice. It's a fireplace. I show you.
TV in the ceiling, air conditioning in the bedroom.
Here you can open from the bed.
Power shades. Oh my God, this is amazing.
Yeah. Television.
Now you charging $300, $400 a night for this room?
Sometime. Not this time.
Ah.
Here.
Oh my God. What a view to wake up to.
I suggest you to close when you go to sleep because a lot of sunshine is coming. And
So-
this is a fireplace.
For romance. So this is
For
a
romance.
perfect place to come for a honeymoon.
Yes, the most people's coming from honeymoon.
Ah.
This is a fireplace, very romantic in the
Oh.
room. Just always keep far away from the glasses. So when you close, you gotta do this.
That's all you got to do. You know,
Almost things.
the people I send this video to already, they were going crazy. They couldn't believe this.
Oh. We try to give welcoming, that's all.
So how do people contact you to book this beautiful apartment?
Airbnb.
And Airbnb,
Yeah.
they look for
Yes,
Teresa Napoli.
yes. Airbnb, yes.
Airbnb, Teresa Napoli.
Yes, this is where you find me, no?
Yeah,
On
yeah,
Airbnb.
yeah.
Yes, Terrazza Napoli.
Okay, well, thank you, Luigi.
Thank you, guys. Thank
Okay,
you. I hope to see you again.
Okay, bye-bye.
I was so grateful to my new friend for guiding me that I invited him to join me for lunch at the picturesque seafront of Naples. I realized I had made a mistake and booked only one night at this amazing penthouse. Luigi, being the gracious host he is, helped me book another Airbnb in Sorrento, which was south of Pompeii, my next destination. Sorrento wasn't originally on my itinerary, but it turned out to be a wonderful detour. Luigi, the train to Pompeii is just 2 blocks from here. It's a convenient and scenic route. The next morning, I took Luigi's advice and walked the short distance to the train station. The train ride to Pompeii was comfortable and filled with anticipation. Upon arrival in Pompeii, I booked a tour to explore this historic site. For just €5, I checked my bag with the tour company and began my journey through time. Walking the sacred ground of Pompeii, I was transported back to the moment of the catastrophic eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 1709, which buried the city under ash. Preserved for over 1,500 years, Pompeii offers a unique snapshot of Roman life, frozen in time.
Well, children, I made it to Pompeii. Here we are. This is Pompeii. It was not discovered for over 1,400 years.
In front of the shrine.
This was also the home where they could buy that massage. They could buy here perfume oils and use the
After an enlightening tour, I boarded the train to Sorrento, eager to continue my adventure. But that's a story for the next video. Thank you for joining me on this part of my Italian journey. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'll share my experiences in the beautiful town of Sorrento. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures.